So is it wise then to always have a backup supplier for that? Because at one quantity, it means it deprives your focus as well, no?
Well, that's good questions. It really depending on first which stage you are in your business. For a big players, the big corporate, they usually have a backup supplier. If you're Huawei, if you're Walmart, you usually have one.
Yeah.
But also to think about one of the most powerful tech company, Apple, and one of the biggest products they're doing in revenue wise, iPhone. They've been only sourcing from one company.
Right.
It used to be, for years.
Mm.
And now it's not the case, but it's been for years only, sourcing from Foxconn
Because
as assembly and test.
Yeah, because there was only one company that could handle the quantity.
No, it's not like that. There were a few other competitive, competitor for this, but Apple chose Foxconn as the sole supplier for the assembly and test package and test for the iPhone. And I think that tells you otherwise. So when you can, I'm sure you're no near to Apple for iPhone, no matter how big you are. So like I said, there's no one best answer for all. We just need to see, and we need to break down and to see what happens.